What's up, guys? Happy Saturday. I think I'm gonna make this a new vlog. My lighting is terrible today, but there's like this ugly overcast, and I'm pretty sure you know, I'm finna just keep y'all right here. Pretty sure my boyfriend changed my settings, and that's why I look so dark, so y'all excuse that. But I'm on my way to work, and baby, I am giving everything that's supposed to be given today. I need to get from behind this truck. I'm nervous. This is like Final Destination nerves. Get from behind him with them trees and stuff. But yeah, so it's so dark, and I'm pretty sure it's my settings. Okay, so this is, yes, y'all, the look, I am giving everything. I put my wig back on because my hair looks a little rough right now, but I don't want to be holding this camera because people be looking at you crazy. But yeah, on my way to work, I have on this striped shirt from Nordstrom Rack that I just have tied up, and I put on a tank underneath because I'm going to work. I can't be having my titties out like that. And I have on these flare bell bottoms. Actually, I've worn this exact outfit before, so y'all know the outfit. I wasn't too secure with how my wig looked, so I put this scarf on, which helped out a lot. And yeah, I am dressed and ready. Hello, I have one already. Ah, shoot, I missed the light messing around with him. He trying to get me give donations and stuff. I ain't got, y'all, I'm broke as just about everybody else. It don't help that I got this camera in my hand because people think, oh, she got a camera, she got money. No, I don't have it. I don't even think I have cash on me right now, to be honest. But they got that little QR code on here. I'm gonna go pass my stuff out, put my QR code on it too. But yeah, anyway, I missed the light messing around with him, talking to him. I could have made that light. It was only 2 cars in front of me. But yeah, I will pick y'all up and talk to y'all again. This is gonna be, I don't know if I'm gonna do a continuation or if this is gonna be like a weekend vlog, or why is he coming so fast up on me? Yeah, let me go, y'all, because it's a lot going on, and my nerves are bad now. I will talk to y'all soon. All right, y'all, so I'm home. Oh, let me turn this heater off so y'all can hear me. So I hate my nails, y'all. I don't like this green. So we finna take this off. We finna take all of it off. So let me just show y'all what I do. I have my Young Nails drill, and I have it set pretty high because I ain't trying to sit here too long, and I'm just drilling the polish off first. I'm gonna cut them down to where my natural nail is, and then I'm gonna soak them. So I'm drilling now, and you could tell how fast it's going because you can it sounds terrible. And I'm trying to stay over my cause I be having this stuff all over me by the time I finish. So while I'm doing this, I am watching Gina Janine because I'm behind. Y'all, I ain't watched nobody's vlogs like in like weeks. I've been so busy like with work, and child, your girl working like 3 jobs right now, so I'm dead tired. But I said I'm gonna start vlogging again because I miss just talking to y'all And I know y'all probably tired of seeing freaking I know y'all tired of seeing makeup videos, cause I feel like that's all I've been doing is makeup videos. And like get ready with me. So I'm trying to do some different content. I have some ideas, so of course y'all let me know what y'all want to see. But I got some stuff up my sleeve that I want to do too. Listen, this nail was the best one I did. It literally shaping everything. But that freaking gel polish takes your shape away, and that drives me insane. But so this is the hand without the gel polish on it, and then this hand still has gel polish. Y'all don't judge my right hand, because the right hand don't ever be cute. So I have my little bowl. The bottom has water in it, the top has the acetone, and we're about to soak this off. So I'll be back when I'm like taking it off for real. Alright, I took my wig off because I gotta do something to it too, but this is where we are so far. So most of it is gone. I just have a few pieces off that I need to get off. So I have the water back in the microwave again, and then we're gonna soak this one last time, and that should be good enough. That's the microwave now. I'm trying to decide if I want to just put these press-ons on by Kiss. I don't know if they're gonna fit, because my nail bed is long and wide at the same time. Like, the regular press-ons usually don't fit my nails. And then I got a whole nother hand that I gotta do. I don't know why I do this to myself. But if I don't do those press-ons, I would have to put more work in, and I really don't feel like it. I don't know, y'all. We will see. We will see. Because I have coffin tips and I have almond tips. Short and long. I don't know, we'll see. Because these tips is like the gel, and that means I'm going to have to polish my nails. And I don't feel like doing all of that tonight. I just want to put them on and be done. But these don't match the toe press-ons that I have. But then again, I don't even know, because like these that I got from Amazon, the toe press-ons I got from Amazon don't stick well like the ones I got out the store. So of course I'll be back. I'll let y'all know what I end up doing. I ain't gonna keep y'all in the dark. So let me go get this water now, because y'all hear the microwave beeping at me. It is very impatient. So I'll be back. Alright, so I got all my nails off. This is my left hand. Y'all see my nail growth? Like, look, they're growing. So I think I'm gonna keep doing the little gel thing. This is my right hand. The only thing I hate about taking my nails off is the freaking like acetone leaves all this residue on my hands. But I think I am gonna go ahead and do the Gel X. So I'm gonna measure out my nails, get that together, and then I'm gonna use this light pink color on it, because if I'm not mistaken, this is sheer. Hold on. Well, I hope it stands up. I'm pretty sure this is sheer. or it can be sheer, like if I do like one coat. Yeah, something like that. So I'm gonna use that because I want something neutral on my nails. The green just wasn't doing it for me. I don't know what it was about this green, but I just hated it. Like, it was it wasn't giving, and I don't know what it was about it that was just having me like ill. Like, it was like a ill green. Like, it didn't look like this in my opinion, and maybe it did, but it's just a little too bright for your girl. And I am going to, yeah, do this nice neutral color. So yeah, I'm about to do that, and I'll show y'all when I'm done. I'm not going to change my toes tonight because it's 8:30, and girl, I gotta do my hair. So we're gonna finish my nails first. This is why I did not want to put gel polish on my toes. I really was telling my mom, I was like, yeah, leave me your quick dry, because I don't think I want to put gel polish on my toes, because if I want to change it, it's gonna take me too long. So yeah, I'm about to finish up now. This part doesn't take me long. I really need to write down what number goes on what finger, because like they have numbers on the bag. So like that's 10, and I really never remember what numbers I use. So I need to write it down or put it in my phone or something, so that I can make my life a lot easier. And yeah, so I'll show y'all what it look like when I come back. And if you want to know how to use the Gel X, I do have a video. I think I uploaded one here, like a shorts video, and then I have one on TikTok as well. But if y'all want like longer, in depth of how I do that, definitely let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll get that to y'all. So yeah, let me finish this up because your girl is tired at this point. I am drained, and I'm supposed to be coloring this wig, but I don't think that's happening tonight because I want to film that. So that might not happen until tomorrow. I'm probably just going to put it back on, clean it up real good, and put it back on for tomorrow. So yeah. Whew. Alright y'all, so I finished my nails. I've been finished. I've literally been sitting here scrolling on Instagram and TikTok and whatnot. But this is what they look like. I really like this color. It's like a bubblegum pink, or like, y'all remember the OPI color bubble bath? That's what this reminds me of. Like, it's so simple and cute. So that's what the nails look like. I might do my feet tomorrow because this green is just not doing it for me. I don't know. Excuse me. I think I wanted like a dark green, and instead of it being a dark green, it's like this like real bright in your face green, and that's not what I want. So yeah, I'll do my toes tomorrow. I'm not doing that today too. And yeah, I'm about to go to bed. It's 10:15, so I'm about to take me a shower. I really need to soak because my feet are killing me. Y'all know that's a show? I think it's like called Help My Feet Are Killing Me. And y'all, it be some interest. Yeah, I be watching some weird stuff for real. Like, the stuff be weird. I think I might be the only person watch this show. But yeah, my feet hurt so bad, and it seemed like no matter what I do, it's not better. I really want to go get a pedicure and have them rub on my feet, but yeah, we ain't finna do that right now. But yeah, y'all, I will talk to y'all in the morning. Again, I don't know if I've started a new vlog or not. I'm really not sure. I just know I'm vlogging again. So I will talk to y'all in the morning, or whenever I decide to pick it up tomorrow, because I don't know, I might not pick it up in the morning. I don't be doing nothing in the mornings. to be showing y'all. Unless I do my face, I might. We'll see. All right, y'all. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. This is going to be like a reset day with me. I'm very congested, first of all, because the earth hates us right now, and there's pollen like everywhere, and it's just not working out for your girl. So I am up. It's 8. It's a little after 8 now, and I'm about to start separating my laundry so I can start that. I'm gonna make up my bed. I have my wig soaking in alcohol because I need to put that back on, and there's some things I want to do. My hair looks really bright today. My hair is normally not this bright. It's like not dull today, or maybe it's just on the camera because now I'm looking in the mirror and it do look dull. I don't know. But yeah, that's what today consists of, and I think I might make this like a single video, so y'all don't judge me by how much laundry I have, because your girl just has a lot of clothes. And yeah, so I just got real dark on y'all. I apologize. I honestly don't know what's going on with my settings because I didn't do them. But y'all, I'm stressed out. I just can't. I'm trying to do too much to survive, and I'm trying not to cry. I'm so emotional these days. I've never been this emotional, but lately, like, I cry at the drop of a dime, and I don't understand it because I'm not a crybaby. I don't cry. I don't cry.
Step up, yes, I'm in now. Let your edge out. To some ice, but we have it.